Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and on this week's episode, we're actually not camping this weekend just due to the fact of there's a hurricane coming and got to do some stuff around the house. So I'm actually out here with my girlfriend Ashley. She's been driving my truck around the property while I have been collecting up sticks and branches and a variety of other debris around the property. And we actually have cut up a pretty decent little amount of firewood too also that we're going to be using in the next couple videos and having just some really good camping wood for us. So we've got our fire going over there where we're burning up a bunch of debris, and here in a bit we're going to make up a quick little snack out here while we're working. So what do we have, Ashley? So we actually have this Backpacker Pantry Creme Brulee. It's pretty simple, easy to make. All we got to do is rip it open, dump in some cold water, mix it around for a bit, and we have some creme brulee. So here in a bit we'll open it up and see how it is. Ashley and I went ahead and finished up doing some stuff around the property. So we came out here right down the road to Green Mountain Scenic Overlook. We have her puppy Ellie, and we're just gonna walk over here, check out the overlook, take Ellie for a sniff around, and show you how it is. So it seems like Ellie so far is liking the little scenic overlook. So as you can see, Ellie is looking down, confused. And here's a little bit of a view. You can actually pretty much see almost all the way into Orlando from here. It's part of the Lake Apopka trailhead. It's like a little tower, leads down, and it's about 17 to 20 miles of trail. So Ashley, we're gonna go ahead and knock out all 17 miles, right?
No, not today.
Not today, okay.
Not today.
So we're not gonna go ahead and do that. Ellie, what do you think? Ellie? Ellie? Okay, so we just finished up our little walk here with Ellie. We walked about half a mile or so down the trail. So now we're gonna go ahead and we are going to whip up our French-inspired custard sugar topping creme brulee from Backpacker Pantry. 12 grams of protein, 610 calories. This is a little single serving. Pretty simple instructions. We're just got to remove the oxygen absorber and the sugar packet, add a little bit of cold water, stir briskly for a minute, seal pouch, wait a minute, and then go ahead and add in the sugar topping, and it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and open it up. Quick little side note, so I've been to a lot of different parks and stuff in my day, but I have never encountered a sunscreen dispenser. Definitely kind of neat. So we just arrived back at the truck. Ellie and Ashley are loaded up. So here is the sugar packet, the little burnt sugar packet that comes with the creme brulee. Here's a little bit of a view of the inside. It's a little bit of a white powdery substance. So we're gonna dump the cold water in there, mix it up, drive home, and we'll let you know how it tastes. So we're hydrating Ellie here.
With a Chipotle cup.
With a Chipotle cup, so don't worry, she's not abused, even though she looks abused. So we finished up the creme brulee. I found it quite yummy. I love creme brulee. Not quite as good as some of your finer steakhouses, but it's pretty good.
It was good.
Ashley, on the other hand, found it pretty good, but not a super big fan of the texture. And Bandit here thinks Creme Brulee is amazing. So that's the review on the Backpacker Pantry Creme Brulee. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along for more.